Hey guys!
What's up everyone?
It's been a while, but we are still here. We haven't gone anywhere. And I think it's time for a little RV update. So guys, it's been a while since our last RV update. We haven't really done much. We just haven't had a chance to come work on it as often as we'd like. So it's moving slowly, but let's give you a little breakdown on what we've been doing over the last couple of days.
To infinity and beyond!
So in the last video, we left you guys sealing the roof and pretty much sealing this entire thing. Except I kind of fear for my life up here. I'm like 215 pounds on some little tiny pieces of wood and those thin metal sheet. And after that, we started working on the windows. Taking gordita orders.
Burritos, tacos, flautas.
So this was a window that Mr. Luna had back there, and it had tempered glass, so it's perfect for an RV. And he literally custom made this bracket so it could have enough lip to screw through. And yeah, he went and bought this metal
Flat bar. Aluminum
flat bar
And
put it all around.
put it up. Woohoo!
Spent $20 on this window.
Yay! So if you'll notice, right next to me, last time we had two big old holes here. And now we have a big, beautiful sliding window.
And the only other window we replaced and completely made fit was this one. And this is the back window to our bathroom. So it looks a little funny because there was literally another window here. You can see the outline. And we needed to shrink it because our bathroom was shrinking and we didn't want this window to extend to another part of the RV. We just wanted it in the bathroom. We were able to find a smaller window off another camper that Mr. Luna had. So that's great. And then over here, so originally we thought we were going to have to spend hundreds of dollars on new windows because our windows weren't opening correctly. But luckily, we were able to just take them off, lube up the little contraption that opens them a little bit, clean them up, and they actually work. So we saved some money there.
So we are currently in the process of fixing these. We started working on them 2 days ago. Today we will finish it up. So we'll show you the rest of that process and see what else we get into today. Couple of minutes in and I already got a blister. But guys, so unfortunately we can't put back up the windows without fixing up this frame. There's some water damage. So looks like we gotta take this apart. The injuries I've sustained during this remodel is just ridiculous, guys.
It's too much to bear.
Wouldn't wish it on my worst enemy. Anyways, okay.
Except my husband.
I fell.
So while she's busy rebuilding the frame, Mr. Luna and I are gonna put these metal frames that we built a while back, if you remember, into place with the hopes of stabilizing it so we can finally move this thing.
Now they're screwing in that metal frame thingy.
How did you not notice?
That's what it'll look like, guys, with our drivers, our seats in place. But good thing that we did put the seats in because
We realized that
the seat sticks out. And we didn't realize that the seat was not going to fit if we left the wall where we originally had it placed.
So we had the wall all the way flush to the bed area, then it would have overlapped to the seat. So it's a good thing we checked.
And just look at this side.
And And then the passenger side goes even further back.
Look how much it sticks out.
Which explains why they had a little shelf right there in that space.
So we were gonna put it flush to this wall. That would have literally chopped our seat in half. So, have to reconfigure our plans a bit, but it's okay. Well guys, unfortunately we ran out of time. There's still sun in the sky, but we have somewhere to be. Only one window went up. My father's gonna do us a mighty favor and put that window up. Thanks for that, Dad. But for now, let's go. We have somewhere to be. And that special place to be was at dinner with the family.
A very special dinner because today is actually my mom's birthday. So we thought we could bring you guys along because we're actually here at a very popular El Paso restaurant, and hopefully we give you a little bit of food action because we're here at Carlos and Mickey's.
So this is El Paso staple and probably our favorite Mexican restaurant in all of El Paso.
That might be controversial because there's so many good ones, but we just come here and we have a great time every single day.
The overall experience is probably what keeps us coming back and claiming it as our favorite.
It might have something to do with the big old margaritas.
We just have great memories here. So whether it's celebrating a goodbye dinner or a birthday, this is usually the place we come to.
And if you're visiting El Paso, then Carlos and Mickey's is definitely a staple.
Top of the list to visit when in El Paso. So let's go ahead and get settled and we'll show you guys.
Meet the boogie. Meet the boogie. Say hello.
It's here.
Surprise. Happy birthday. This is that it's consistent every single time. It never changes.
The recipe never changes.
So good.
Probably by far the best margarita you can have in El Paso.
Yes.
Yep. Definitely recommend sharing one of these big ones, or if you drink it by yourself, it's gonna knock you on your ass.
But of course they have smaller sizes.
Like this?
No, Paso margarita.
El Paso?
There's El Paso margarita and then the Texas margarita.
And then the baby margarita. But we don't mess with that. We drink the big ones.
Of course, guys, you have to get an appetizer. We always love the queso fundido. They have the queso fundido with chorizo or the queso fundido with rajas, and they're both amazing.
Green chicken enchiladas.
Rajas and chorizo, guys. Wrapped in a tortilla.
Yep. And if you're not familiar with queso fundido, it's literally melted cheese.
Okay. Think of Mexican fondue, but even better because you wrap it in a tortilla. I'm all about the Mexican food, and look at that, an horchata. Yeah? What you get, Hobbs?
Alright guys, I got the chimichanga, which I'm probably going to get a lot of flack for on YouTube because it's not super authentic, but it is amazing. So usually I get the green chicken enchiladas, but one day I just decided, what the hell, and I ordered the chimichanga, which comes with the same enchilada sauce as the green enchiladas. So imagine a burrito topped and smothered in green enchilada sauce, and it is amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and open that up for you guys. Oh man. Just the inside of that.
Gosh.
Look at that. So you can get beef or chicken. I got beef. That looks amazing.
Like, food vlogging should just be our thing now for forever and always, because look at this, guys.
perfection.
I ordered the green chicken enchiladas. That's like the go-to here. Green chicken enchiladas. I sometimes get the tortilla soup, but usually this. So I went with the green chicken enchiladas. Smothered in like the best green sauce. I'm just gonna.
Make sure
It's like a green queso sauce.
Yeah, it's a chile con queso sauce.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna throw extra cheese on that.
Yeah, but we're all out. Let's see if we bring them.
It's because they're so cheesy. Like the green sauce is like not a traditional green sauce that's like very like almost citrusy, like very fresh. This is like creamy goodness. So it's bomb. And then the rice is always on point. Add a little bit of frijolitos. And that's like the perfect bite.